Hi, welcome to another day in my life vlog. Today I am just getting ready. I have a laser appointment finally after 3 months. I have started in the month of January and then I had another session in Feb. So I think it takes around 6 months of laser sessions to get done with it completely, and today I finally have another appointment, so I'm getting ready for that. I'm going to I already went ahead and brushed my teeth, had my coffee, and now I'm just going to wash my face. I've been using this face wash a lot. I really like it. It's the Cetaphil Bright Healthy Radiance one. Quite nice. I love it for sensitive skin. And then I'm just going to quickly do my morning routine and go out. I was actually checking on map how much I need to be there by 12 and it's already 11:15. I should be out of the door now. I should go out now, but I'm running late, and let's just get done with this. The first thing I like to do as soon as I am done washing my face is actually use this in the morning. This is the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. Add it directly onto my moist face, and then I move on to wearing my lenses. I like to wear these Aqua Lens. These are the daily disposable ones. I find them quite comfortable. I get them from Lenskart. This is what they look like. You get individual lens, and I have 2 different powers in my eye, so I need to buy 2 packs. If putting my finger on my eyes grosses you out, please feel free to forward this part. But I've been wearing lenses for since I was in class 11, so I must have been 17, and I am 30 now. That's how long I've been wearing lenses, so my eyes are pretty desensitized. In the morning I like to use vitamin C. I think I'm gonna use this one today from Murad. This is their Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum, and I just like to take just a little bit of it and apply it starting from the outer corners of my face. Then I'm going to take my Clinique Moisture Surge. I like to use this before I use my sunscreen. For sunscreen, I'm going to use this one from Aven. I really like this. This is their Creme Protectrice for sensitive skin. It has an SPF of 30. I love the texture of it. It's super lightweight, and that's not enough for sunscreen, so I'm going to go back and apply some more. I like to just take it twice instead of just applying a lot at once, and that just makes it easier for me to blend it onto my skin. Lastly, some lip balm. That's it for my morning skincare routine today. Just got changed into my outfit and I put on some deodorant. This is the Nivea Naturally Good. And I think what perfume do I want to wear today? You know what? I think I'm gonna wear my Wood Sage and Sea Salt. I really like this from Malone. And I need to apply some serum in my hair. I really like this one from L'Oreal. This is their Extraordinary Serum. I'm almost running out of it. I'm not going to do any makeup today. So this is going to be it. Just gonna wear my mask and my face shield and I'll be done. Okay, I really need to clean my mirror. This is the outfit that I'm wearing today. The dress is from Summer Somewhere. The shoes are ALDO. The bag is from Gucci. And I also have like my face mask and face shield on. And ready to head out now. I made it. I will start my laser appointment now. I'm just going to change into my gown and then I will show you guys how the process goes. I'm so sorry about the flicker. I think the frame rate of my camera doesn't match the one on the tube lights. But this is the before of my legs. You saw my hairy underarms, now you get to see my hairy legs. So the process is to actually shave first and then go ahead and apply the laser. It's the same for my arms as well. They're gonna shave it first. So to shave, they first use a lotion and then they just use like a normal razor and shave all of the hair first. So first they apply like a nice, this is like a cooling gel. It feels really cold. So it doesn't really hurt. It feels like small pins and needles, but on the areas that the hair is thick, it can sting a little bit, like this part for me. So she's doing it slowly, as you can see. The whole process is actually, it takes around 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes for your entire body. It's pretty fast. It's pretty painless. I think shaving is what takes the longest. Time to do the underarm now. It's the same process. They apply the gel she's holding there. And they're done. It didn't really hurt at all. I think like the pain also depends on the thickness of your hair. And that's it for this underarm. We're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the arms. So I'm back and I was just doing my hair. I have my team behind me. That's Janvi. It's actually her first day and Nikita is here as well. We are kind of briefing Janvi, trying not to scare her off on day one. And we're just about to do a quick shoot. So I have done my hair and I'm just going to do my makeup, and then we're trying to wrap up a lot of things today. So it's been like a go day for me. I won't make it easy for you now. Okay, so it's around 7:30 right now, and I had to use this camera to do a lot of filming and shooting, and we still have like one more video left.
Hi guys. Hi, Salima here from
and I have a meeting.
Hi Salima,
I have to go for this meeting.
Hi guys. Debasree.
Hi, sorry, I was just filming something. Hi guys.
Hi Debasree.
Hi. What's up? How's it going?
Hi Bhavya. It's a good day. Not complaining. Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is.
I'm so happy everyone could make it today.
Like,
yeah, I know. No. Maybe the idea was painful. Yeah, the idea basically is to get the both of you in one call. So.
Okay, so that day was super exciting because we were at it non-stop. I reached back home around 3 o'clock and we worked till 8:30. I drove down, dropped Janvi home. Nikita stayed over with me and I had footages, but unfortunately my camera got formatted accidentally and I don't have any footage left, but it was a very exciting day and I'm so glad I kind of vlogged it. We got a lot of things done, and all in all, it was it was fun. I'm so glad that I have another member in the team who's been really helping out, so I'm able to concentrate and focus more on my YouTube channel as well, and also make sure that I put out consistent content on my Instagram and also my brand page. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for coming along with us, and I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye.